Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge brownies in a microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Also have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, 1 large egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These basic items are all you need for delicious, quick brownies. Now let's get mixing. Start by melting your 1/4 cup of butter in a microwave-safe bowl for about 30 seconds. Once melted, add the 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, stirring until smooth. Then gently fold in the large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of flour, and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to cook. Pour your brownie batter into a lightly greased, microwave-safe dish, ideally an 8-inch square or round one. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times vary, so check for doneness. The edges should be set and the center slightly soft. Let them cool completely on a wire rack for at least 15 minutes. This cooling step is crucial for perfect fudge texture. Your delicious microwave fudge brownies are ready. Once cooled, you can cut them into 2-inch squares and serve. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. They're perfect for a quick dessert or a sweet treat anytime. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy every fudgy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.